Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off live caption in calls in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options. Next, in hearing enhancements, at the top we have our live caption options. As you can see, right now it's turned on, and here we have our caption calls. So now it's always, we can choose to change it to ask every time, or we can have it off. Also, as you can see, we have a few more options here if we want to change them. And that's it, no need to save this setting, just go back to our home screen. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.